Hey, thanks for checking out the video. Today we're going to be doing a simple, quick, and easy upgrade on my 2019 F-150. We're going to be installing the tailgate assist so you can get your tailgate to open up like this. All right, so here's a look at our kit. Nothing to it really. We got the gas strut. We got the top bracket and then the bottom bracket. And they give you a Torx wrench. This is a T50, but I'm going to use my socket, so I got a T50 socket, and this is just another T50 I'll use to spin it off. A screwdriver, that's it. That's all we're going to use. This is the brand it is. These are all over Amazon. I've seen them. I think I got this from American Trucks. Fits a 2015 to 2019 F-150. I'm sure these are all over the place. 20, 30 bucks. And quick, easy install. So let's get to it here. So first thing we're gonna do is just pop our cable off here. Set that off to the side. We'll loosen up. That'll come right out. So this is the top bracket. We're just gonna go ahead and put that on there. I'll check the orientation on this with the directions here. And that's just facing down, so we're good there. We'll snug this up. Now we'll move to the bottom bracket. So our bottom bracket is just two 10 millimeters. This is the bottom hinge for the tailgate, but it shouldn't cause you any issues. We're just loosening this up. I'm gonna use a piece of plastic just to protect the bolts a little bit. You're probably fine if you're not using an impact to take them off. And I don't think it's necessary, but I'm just doing it because I got the plastic and I didn't want to scratch them all up. So this bottom piece is going to go on just like that. Get our bolts back in. We'll get this tightened up. All right, we'll get the shock on there. There's the name Barricade is this brand. And these should probably just push on there, yep. If I can pull it, I might have to lift the tailgate up. All right, so we got to put the bottom one on first. It's a lot easier to get this one up to the top. I don't know if you can see this or it's too dark, but we'll just get that on there. So there you go. All right, we got our shock absorber on. We just got to put our clip back on. I'll lift the tailgate up a little bit here. Put that back on. All right, let's try it out. Ripping up my instructions. Wow, nice. It's a little bit of a pause and then it just takes it. Very nice. That's awesome. So there you go. Barricade is the brand of this one. They're all over Amazon. Get you one of those, throw it on there. Literally probably took 2 or 3 minutes. Took me longer to get the tools together. Super quick, cheap, easy upgrade for your truck. If you've ever had a tailgate assist before and you go get a truck that doesn't have one, you know what I'm talking about. But it makes things so much easier. You don't think about it until you go to do it. You got your hands full, and now, you know, something you don't want to put on the ground, you can just hang on to. Tailgate comes down, you throw it in. Love it. 30 bucks. If you got anything good out of this video, go ahead, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you. See ya.